Hey everybody, I am in Los Angeles and I am at a place called the Philosophical Research Society. It is a place that teaches and has information on metaphysical and esoteric and religious ideas. And it was started by a man named Manly P. Hall, who was somewhat of a philosopher, a Canadian-born guy who started this place to have a sanctuary for people to come learn, and they have classes and all sorts of things. So here's the building. So I'm not even sure that it's open, but they pretty much foster the study. It's sort of like the place I went in Virginia Beach where they teach, where you learn pretty much the reality of what it means to be a human, and about history, about religion, and all sorts of things like that. So let's walk in there and see if we can see what it's about. Oh, so they have a little courtyard. I'm interested in looking around, but especially the library. Let me look over here real quick. We have some Buddhist statue over here. So, hi. So we have here Philosophical Research Society, Surrealist Study Group, Discovering Witchcraft, A Journey Through the Elements, Auditorium, Rare Screening, and Video Interviews. Interesting. So here's a gift shop here. Excuse me. All right, here's some of the things that you can get here. Agents of Chaos, Tarot for the hard work, mythology, religion, Kabbalah, LGBTQ+. So you get an idea of the things that they focus on here. The Secret Teachings of All Ages. This was a book, I believe, written by Manly P. Hall, if I'm not mistaken. It's pretty illustrated and has all kinds of Fraternity of the Rose Cross. I think those are called the Rosicrucians. They have some illustrations, and I guess they give the meaning behind everything. What's this big book? Huh. I don't know what the cryptogram as a factor in symbolic philosophy. Cool shirts and stuff. I don't have long. I have to turn my car in and get to the airport, but I had to stop by here. So, vintage lectures. So Manly P. Hall used to give lectures, and here's some of the lectures he gave. So, Wit and Wisdom of Immortals, Pluto and Libra, and Interpretation, Symbolic Essays, and all sorts of other ones. You can find some of his stuff on YouTube, where you hear him giving speeches. So it's pretty interesting. So you talk about consciousness, and there's the Baha'i faith. And you come here to get general knowledge. This is somewhat of an esoteric library. Maybe not as big as the one in Virginia Beach that I visited. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. Looks like they have some music here. I'm not sure how they collect and choose the music, but maybe this is some stuff from back in the day. Maybe some of these were members, who knows? A lot of tarot stuff here. And that's that. So let's go check out the library. Actually, the auditorium's right here. I'm gonna walk in there and see what's happening. So they say that they're here to spread multicultural wisdom. And I think that was Manly P. Hall there. Young guy, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, because that's him there. Young guy there. Pretty interesting. Look at this old bench here. Wow. That's beautiful. We're going to see the auditorium where you can come here and see different talks. So, hi. We got the Beautiful, beautiful art here. Look at this here. Oh, check this out. I wonder what that means. Maybe those are angels. They got a lineup of women kind of walking around doing their thing. They're all in black. They have different outfits on. She has a snake around her leg. I don't know what that means. This is done by Chariot Summer. Oh, no. Okay. So this is Chariot Summer, I think. Chariot Autumn. I think the names of these. We can kind of see they're doing their thing. Maybe that's summer. They have all the flowers on their head. I'm not sure what this is about. This guy's up here. She has some vines in her mouth. I'm not sure how to interpret these. But this is where you can come and see some talks. And I very much want to come here and check some stuff out. I mean, I didn't have enough time this time. They're only open on Friday from what I understand, unless they have little different things going on. That's it. So here's the library. This is gonna be a quick walkthrough. Who knows what's up there, but it's a beautiful little area. I really wish I could spend more time here and not be in a rush. Look at these doors. I don't know who they are. It looks like some Chinese emperor or maybe a god. There's the servants there. I don't know what's going on there. That's pretty cool. Let's walk into the library. There's all kinds of symbolism here. So Manly P. Hall. So these are Philosophical Research Society journals. And this is where you want to come, no matter where you are in the world, to come here and get info. Author catalogs. You can see how old this library looks. And there are some people who've come here and made copies of books and studied quite a few of these to gather knowledge and put it together. Murals of the Tibet. Murals of Tibet. Really cool. Pretty cool, that Tibetan script. Look how simple that is. Who knows when that was made? Oh, I guess that's Manly P. Hall. I want one of these books here. Check this guy out. So this is Nicholas Woolrich, Treasure of the World. Guess that's the treasure. We have all sorts of books here. So you got a little look at this place. I'm gonna steal one of these pens. So it says Philosophical Research Society. Please sign if you would like to be on the email list. Then include your email.
I'll be right back, but if you have questions, let me know.
Okay, thank you. She told me that she's going to be back, and if I have any questions, she can answer them. So I think I'll take her up on that. There's another Buddhist statue up there. I've never read this. I wonder what information you can get from it and how you can apply it to your life, because that's most important, isn't it? Knowledge for the sake of it is okay, but applied knowledge is what makes things happen. It changes your life. So I guess the woman I'm going to speak to is the librarian here. So she doesn't want to be on camera, so I'm going to respect her wishes. But she's going to be gracious enough to share what the place is about.
So this is a library, nonprofit. It's a nonprofit that focuses on a collection of books since 1934, when it was founded, on esoteric knowledge, philosophy, arts and sciences, astrology, divination, history, modern and ancient philosophy, comparative religion, and ancient texts. We do have over 30,000 books in the library accessible to the public.
Wow.
Our open hours are 12 to 6, Thursdays and Fridays for study. It's not a checkout library, but people come here to study. So see it as like a special collections space. And we also do events. We have an auditorium, we have a gallery, we have a bookstore. And it's activated pretty much on every day. Cool. Yeah, through our events and lectures and book signings. We do host artists in the gallery, and they do rotating shows throughout the year.
Interesting.
Yeah, and it's been around since 1934.
Wow.
Yeah.
And who was it founded by?
By Manly P. Hall, who is a Canadian scholar and a very prolific author. We have some of his books in that wall over there on the further side of the library.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for sharing that.
No problem.
Cool.
Yes.
Take care.
Yeah, you too.
All right, there you have it. So, what a cool place. Everyone was really nice, waving at me. Trying to figure out how the heck I got out of here. But the library was kind enough to share this with me. And if you like to read, you like information, this might be a place you can stop. Check it out. Look online and see when they have some events that you can attend and learn some esoteric knowledge, or knowledge that's not apparent, sometimes hidden. Really interesting place. So I definitely will be back. It kind of pains me to kind of come here real quick. I almost didn't come, but I just had to get a look, and I'm really glad I did because it looks really interesting. So thanks for coming along. If you liked the video, press the like button. It's by far the best way to help the channel. I really appreciate that. It helps the algorithm send people to my video. Comment below. Let me know if you come to the Philosophical Research Society and learn some esoteric knowledge. Life is outside, but if you can't get outside, subscribe and come with me. I love you.